SIWES is about to start. Are you going to make a smart choice or end up with nothing to show for it? Every year, thousands of students start SIWES, but nothing to show for it. No real skills, no experience, nothing to add to their CV, just attendance and vibes. 6 months gone. And when it's time to apply for jobs, you are stuck explaining what you didn't learn. That's how graduates stay jobless. At Digital Dreams ICT Academy, you don't just do SIWES. You build real projects. Learn in-demand tech skills like software development, cybersecurity, data science, and cloud computing. Work with tools that companies actually use. Get hands-on training from day one. You are guided by industry experts, step by step, so you are never stuck or confused. You also gain practical skills like CV writing, interview preparation, teamwork, and communication. The things that actually get you hired. And at the end, you don't live with just experience. You live with a certificate, a strong portfolio, and a recommendation letter that gives you a real advantage. And the interesting part, SIWES students get 50% discount on any course they apply for. Don't waste your SIWES. Make the smart choice now. Join Digital Dreams ICT Academy today.